My name is Jared Littleton. I'm the owner of Surveillance Secure Delaware Valley. Today we're here at Dance by Deborah Denote installing a thermal camera that can check the temperature of every dancer coming into the building, checks for a fever, which is one of the most common symptoms of COVID-19. The way that it works is anybody who wants to check their temperature will come up to this camera, put their face right in front of the camera, and then the camera will actually assess the core body temperature of the person standing in front of it, and then register with either a green temperature is good or a red temperature is bad.
Normal temperature.
You don't have to pay somebody to sit there and take the temperature of every single person. The camera does everything for you. But this is one of the times that we get to take not only pride in our work, but a complete enjoyment in what we're doing. We get to help small businesses get back to work quickly and safely. If you'd like more information, you can find us at surveillancesecuredelawarevalley.com, or you can call us at 856-292-4011.